Hey everyone! We're technologists youngers. For our project we decided to make a very hard and very interesting robot. The problem is that we didn't do that like a bit in time, but it's still like very interesting. So this robot used a whole bunch of quite hard technologies. It has special reducers, gearbox, differential at the back, and one of these mechanisms is a reducer, and Bora will tell you about that.
This is...
Okay.
This is reducer for this robot. I want to spin this is motor and motor right is и я кручу левый мотор, и колеса крутятся очень медленно, потому что это первая передача. Это для того, чтобы машина тронулась. Но эта машина, она очень медленно ехать, но тяга будет очень сильная, поэтому машина быстрее. А потом включается вторая передача, и колеса уже начинают очень быстро ехать, но тяга очень маленькая, и машина легко будет остановить.
Yes, thank you. So, this robot is not finished. We had several issues, like we didn't have enough parts. We were trying to 3D print them. We 3D printed some of them, but what it can do is to spin back motors. If we with this, so there's the whole bunch of different gears inside. It's like around 15 gears. Yeah, and at the back this should spin, as you see. When it's on the ground, actually it should... okay. Yeah, so I hope we... Yeah, that's the problem. So it was a very challenging task to make this robot even to this stage. It took us 5 days, and it was very interesting in kind of like... It's actually how big cars work. So we decided to make like this challenging task. I think we've done it through. It can spin. It can work. So woo!
We all came for technology project. So we all came for technology project. Firstly, to learn. We had many ideas what to do, but we chose to make some robots because they contain many stuff in them, like constructing, programming, and other things that we can learn about them. So we made some robots.
Yeah. We had also a really funny moment when one lesson we noticed that our robots weren't working rightly, so we began to check the firmwares, on Russian it is прошивка, and also their programming codes, but we didn't find any problems or any errors, and finally we spent 1 hour afterwards. We decided that the problem was in power and we just needed to change batteries. However, all the time we're working as a strong and friendly team, and we'd like to say a big thanks to Zhenya, who was also there to support us and help us, and he was also telling us different interesting stuff about electricity, about programming, about improving drones, and so on. I'd like to say what of Karina.
So our robots have nails before them and balloons behind. The task of robots is to pop bubbles of other robots. So I hope you will enjoy it of these fights.
Boys